This is Shawnee on the Spot. I'm Shawnee. Welcome to my spot. In today's video, I am participating in an open invite collaboration called Outrageous Orange Tablescape 2020. This collaboration is hosted by Fabulous Designs on a Budget with Marilyn. Now, this is part of Marilyn's color series that she hosts monthly, giving a different color each month for your tablescape to collaborate with her on. She has two co-hosts for this collaboration, Jazigreen Decor Styles and Creatively Miss Me with Stephanie. Now, each of these ladies have beautiful lifestyle channels. I have put the links in my description box. Please take a moment and go over and visit each and every one of them. I'm sure you will enjoy. Well, here's my take on the Outrageous Orange Tablescape 2020. Go ahead and take a look and I'll come back and tell you where some of the items came from. Well, me personally, I'm a burnt orange kind of girl. I really like the color orange. However, I tend to sway towards the burnt orange tone of orange. And when I'm decorating with burnt orange, I often pair it with burgundy and with yellow. Now, for this tablescape, I was able to shop my home as well as purchase two new items. And actually, those two new items were purchased a while back, but this is the first time I'm styling with them. The picture on the wall is actually from my hallway, and I pulled it in because I like the colors and how they brought everything together, especially the table runner. The colors in there are awesome. And I got this paisley table runner from a company that I found on the Amazon marketplace, and I'll put a link in the description box so that you can find it and go visit them. They have some beautiful, beautiful tablecloths, table runners, as well as napkins. The only other new thing is those beautiful slanted wine glasses. I found those at Zgallerie, and they were on clearance. Now, those dahlias, I did have those in my stash already, so I was able to pull those out and bring them in. Along with my little statuettes, I've had those for over 20 years. Now, I do have a few DIYs on the table and on the back hutch there as well. The napkin rings, of course, are DIY. And those dishes actually came from the Dollar Tree. Well, here is my take on the Outrageous Orange Tablescape 2020. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and please come back and visit me at my spot. And please remember to like and